guys, hope you're doing well. I got a Christmas present. Look at that. iPhone 12 Pro, not just top there, Max. So we got 256GB graphite color. Here we go. Da-da! Oh. Let's look, what do we have inside? There we go, 12 Pro Max. We'll put it aside while it's load, and let's see what's in the box. I'll set it up later and show you. So in the box we have this pin to plug in the SIM card. We got the Apple sticker, and then there is a cable. Guys, there is no headphones, no charger. This time Apple is saying they are saving environment by being sustainable, by not producing charger and the headphone. Guys, now the phone is ready. Let me show it to you. Here we go. As you can see, it's my kid's picture there. I've set up the Face ID so it can unlock things, and there we go. It's still setting up some of the apps. And just to let you know the difference, so it's my previous iPhone 7, and look at that, this is massive. We will just go over a few tech specs. If you want to learn full tech specs of this phone, then you have to go to Apple's website to learn more. It has A14 Bionic chip processor, 6.7 inch screen, 226 grams of weight. It has 3 cameras, which are the key features of it, and it also comes with Lidar scanner and Apple Pro RAW option, which is also downloadable in iPhone 12 Pro. Ultra wide lens 2.4 aperture, wide lens comes with 1.6 aperture, but it also has sensor shift optical image stabilization, which is a very new and does not exist in any other kind of phones. It has telephoto lens also, which is at 2.2 aperture. We will review this through our pictures and through the videos in this review, so stick around. Hi guys, we are going to the park. We have our Nerf guns, everything ready to test on the skateboard, and we are going to test the camera. Let's see how it goes. So you can see the color balance is very good. In the background even you can see sky, and it's a natural light daylight recording, and the video holds pretty well to the required things. And this is a slow-mo we'll take over here, and you can see the shot going, the Nerf gun bullet. And here is the water feature, so you can see the details of the water. You can see very good clear picture of the water bubbles and water splash. It's a very good recording, I would say. And here's another one of the video. And now we will check the live picture, so you can see the result. And here it gives a very good milky feature on the pictures that we usually take with the professional cameras. And in this picture you will see the sun from in the background, and even then the picture holds very good colors. And even here as well, there is a reflection from the water of the light, and that holds very good picture still. The quality and the color, the details are very, very good compared to what some of the other cameras might have. And here is a night mode picture. You can see in 1 second exposure it took the very good clear picture of the tower. In here you can see the raw format picture, and I'll edit it now, and you see this is the edited mode of the picture. Captures very good details. Here is another raw image, which you can see it has been able to pick a lot of details, particularly the sun in the background. Look at the original and the edited. Here is another example of good colors. It's indoor setting, lights, natural normal room lights in the church. It's a Derby Cathedral. And again in the evening, snowfall, you can see it holds very good quality pictures takes. And here is the portrait mode. You can see the background is blurred, looks very natural, and it holds a very good pictures. There is a bright light shining through the snow in the background, but you can see the details of the pictures are very good. Another one over here with the headlights of car on. You can see the picture picked up still good details. We are testing two things here. One is how good the stabilization is. Second is how it performs in the dark. It's slightly dark, it's not very dark as you can see, but it's looking better than the human eye, what you can see from the human eye. It gets this kind of glare thing from the lens. I don't know what that is. So if you're making a decision whether to buy or not to buy iPhone 12 Pro Max, let me tell you who should not buy it. So first of all, I think those who have bigger hands like myself, I am okay with holding this. But those who like to use the phone just by one hand, they should not buy iPhone 12 Pro Max, because it is definitely two hands phone. You have to use it with two hands. You can't just type the full message using one hand alone. However, for me, it gives a very good grip on my hand, so I'm okay. Thanks to the edges that now, instead of beveled edges, they have now very straight edges like iPhone 5 in previous generations. So yeah, that's good for me. Next thing I would say is, if you are not too keen about the new sensor shift camera, then you don't need to buy iPhone 12 Pro Max. However, I would definitely recommend, if you're into photography or video, not even professionally, let's say, and even if you're just for Instagram and other things, make sure you go for the next generation, which is the state-of-the-art camera that they have installed. I know there are many others out there, but remember, there's a Lidar sensor that is very, very important for low light photography. There is a sensor shift camera that allows for more stabilized video. Apple already had a very good stabilization system, optical image stabilization. However, now they have sensor shift stabilization, which is in the professional cameras that you only see that. So that's for the first time in the phones. So those are some of the reasons why you should or you should not buy the phone. Some of the advantages with the bigger size is the bigger battery, the bigger screen, so you can do a lot on the phone itself alone. I hope you enjoyed this review, and whichever phone you decide to buy, do let me know in the comments what were your reasons to choose iPhone 12 Pro Max or iPhone 12 Pro, or perhaps none of these. See you later.